Good morning, Blue. Sweet girl. Hi. How are you? Hang on. Snowy and Bo are here. And Fiona. Yeah. And some chickadees. It's early. Hey, did you guys just get out of bed? I think Blue and Sweet Girl just got out of bed. Blue and Sweet Girl and Bo. Now Blue, I'm going to give him this peanut, but this stringy thing, he doesn't like that. He always picks it off, so I picked it off for you. Here, mama girl. Okay. Snowy. Here's Snowy, my little torpedo. And her mate, Bo. Where's Feisty J, Fiona? Fiona. Okay. And the little guys. Hang on. Don't worry. I haven't forgotten you. Hey. Here, little sparrow. I still have some sparrows here. Grab that peanut, baby. It's a tan morph. Blue. Blue. Come here. Look. Come up right here. I'll get you a nice good peanut, okay? Do you want some out of the shell? Would you like that? I can crush up some for you if you want some. You were going to take the little white-throated sparrow's peanut, weren't you? Yeah. You gotta let them have some because they're going to migrate soon. You get to stay. You get to stay and get all kinds of food from me. Yeah. You're very lucky. And then, a little bit of breakfast. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. He's gonna feed Sweet Girl. Here, Snowy baby. Here, Fiona. Oh, here, Fiona. Try again. Oh, I'll get that one. Okay, you want some more? No? You're good, hey? You just want a peanut? 7:45. Alarm. 8 o'clock, pretty much, Sweet Girl. Another 15 minutes. Here, little sparrow. So I have a little sparrow. I think he came back. Blue tried to take a peanut from him. Hey, baby. Hello. Would you like a peanut? Yeah? Okay. I won't keep you waiting. Here, Sweet Girl. So I can give the little guy a peanut. Okay, baby. Gotta help out the sparrows as much as I can now because they'll be heading off really soon. I don't think I see any sparrows in October, so what's today? The 20... What is today? Blue. The 19th. So I don't know if the GoPro is picking it up. But a lot of fall colors are starting to burst through now. Hi, Blue. Hi, Blue. I'm going to get some pictures, I think, of the fall trees. Are you showing off your pretty blues? And the fall colors with you. Hey, Sweet Girl. Hi, Sweet Girl. Sweet Girl. Hi, Snowy Girl. So this is my little Snowy Girl. She got a lot of weight. Don't you, baby girl? You just want a peanut right now. Hey, get that camera out of your face. So I'm going to try to get a picture over here. Just to show the fall colors. Here you go, baby. This is here. Snowy? girl. There was nothing wrong with it. You see what I have here? I have a bunch of youngsters. This is Mrs. Where's Mr. Baby girl? So Sweet Girl dropped the peanut. There's like nothing wrong with it. Come on, Lentil. Hi. My little girl. Baby girl. Aw. Lentil's the one that was very chatty in that video. I'm going to load Lentil up with a lot of peanuts because she has not gotten anything lately. Here, Lentil baby. Yeah, she's calling out to a mate. So she has somebody new. Great. I got a hawk here. Sharp-shinned. Must be another one nearby for him to be calling. Damn it. Every year in fall. That's the sharp-shinned call, and the other one is a blue jay imitating. That's Sweet Girl. That's Sweet Girl's alarm. All the jays congregated together like this. It's just too irresistible for a hawk. Plus these guys are trying to learn, right? Okay, so Lentil hasn't come back. And now with everybody alarm calling and their hawks around like that, she won't come out now. So it is best for me to go on. It's getting a little foggy. It's really pretty. That's Sweet Girl. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my tripod and try to get some better images. All the blue jays deal with that hawk. This tripod is so light. Okay. Let's see if we can get a nice shot of this fog. As you can hear, the hawks have done a great job of ticking off the blue jays. All the tamaracks are starting to turn color now too. They're still really green, but they're starting to turn. Sweet girl. Sweet girl. Fiona. And Blue. Blue. Feisty J! Feisty J just showed up. Hey, Feisty. Okay. Blue. Well, I want to give one to Sweet Girl. Here, Sweet Girl, you want that one? Okay. Okay. Here, Bo. Feisty! How are you, big guy? Look what I have for you. Okay. Oh, Feisty. You're gonna get it. You're a silly bird. And I'm a silly human. sparrow? Is that a sparrow that knows me? Awfully close. Yeah, it is. One of the sparrows from here. Oh my goodness, look at all the robins. Whoa. So many. Ray J? Hey, my baby girl. How are you? I don't have anything good. Happy. I'll take that, okay? That's all I got, my girl. I'm so sorry. You don't want that one either? Okay, hold on. Let me see. Take that there. Oh, that's not quite how you gotta do it, baby. Here, Tuffy. Oh, Bella. Tuffy. That's all I got today, my darling. Poor old Bella, I don't know what she went off with. Okay. Blue is such a good boy. Okay. Come on. Here, sweet girl. Feisty? Here, Fiona. Feisty. Good boy. Hey, here are you, sweetie. You want a peanut? You want a couple? Okay, that's all I got, though. You're so sweet. The other one. You want some more? No? Hey, Blue. Hey. Oh, Mrs., what are you doing here? Mrs. showed up. Guys, I gotta save these peanuts. Oh my god. You always make me feel bad. You guys should be ashamed of yourselves. Yeah, get out of here. Here, Mrs. Well, you can take two. You want to switch it out? There you go. Sweet girl. Here, little lady. Little Mrs. No, this is it now. No more peanuts. No more. Honest, I'm not doing it. I have to save them. I have to save them. You don't even care. Do you? You don't even care. You just want peanuts and that's it. Here. Oh my. Want some more, baby? And these? Do you like them all crushed up? Like that? I think that's the baby. Yeah, it is. It's the baby, Ray J. So where did Tuffy and Bella go? They went on. You want one more? Yeah. Hang on. Here you go. This is all I can offer you now. Hi, sweet girl. I know seeds aren't your favorite, but that's it. Come on, sweet girl. Come on. Don't be picky. You be picky. Where are my nuthatches? Hmm? What's wrong? What is it? I don't know what this is. What is it? A weasel? Was it a weasel? I know it's not a pine marten. As if it were. You guys would be going more crazy than that. I was hoping I would get a video of the hawk, but I only got pictures. You little rascal. Come on, Blue. Come on, sweet girl. We're gonna get the heck out of here. Going for just a usual, you know, nothing out of the ordinary walk in the woods with birds landing on me as I go. It's normal. Hey, Blue. Blue. You silly, silly Blue. Itty! Is that you up there, Itty? I think Itty is up there. Yeah, that's Itty. Little sweetie. It's 11:30. Man, my day is over. I have to go home. I don't want to go home. I want to stay out here with you guys. I'm going to have to build a house in the woods. Nice little, nothing big, nothing fancy. Just a nice little home. And I'll live out here with you guys. So my battery died. I had to put another one in. Now I'm on my last battery. Hey, sweet girl. My last GoPro battery, and I'm also on my last camera battery too. So it was a large day. Come on, Itty. Good baby. Come on, little lady. Little lady. Come down, sweetie. Come on. Come on. You little darling. Here, sweet girl. Here, little lady. Maggie. Here, Maggie. Maggie knows the drill. Pretty close to home now. We're down in the neighborhood. And Lentil is making noises like as if she has a... she's making noises like as if she has a mate around. I think she might have found a new buddy. I hope I get to meet him. Aw, there's my Lentil. How are you, baby girl? That's right. You tell them. You tell them, Lentil. Good girl. Here, you. Guys, you guys take seeds here, okay? So me and Lentil can have our little time here. She's up at the pine cones. Here. Look, I had a nut in here for you. See if we can find it. Oh, look. See it? Oh, it went down on the ground, of course. I'm so sorry. Finally gets her a peanut and then it falls down on the ground. Look, Lentil. Lentil. She's like, yeah, right. Look. Yeah, there we go. I know. I wish I had more to give you. Hey, Lentil. I love you. My little lentil. Hey, lentil. Is there a piece of peanut for you? Lentil, look! Look! Yay! Hey, little buddy. How are you, Filbert? Hi. How are you? How are you? You still got that speck on your eye. Filbert. Hi, Phoebe. Hello. The little snake displayer. How are you, girl? Oh, Phoebe and Filbert aren't very trusting of me yet. Like, they're trusting of me, obviously, but I've never ever taken the time to get to know them over the last couple of years. So they don't have a close relationship with me like the other ones. But I'm working on that. Spending more time with them, paying more attention to them. This is the last leg of my day in the woods. Now, after this, it's work, work, work. A video will go up tonight about fall. And I gotta work on the other ones that are scheduled for later on the next month, I think it is. October and November. Hey guys. It's all ready for you, okay? Here we go. You guys have a really nice day. I'm gonna go home, have something to eat, clean up, and have a nice, I don't know, coffee maybe, I don't know. See you guys.